Best grades in school. Grade R, bro. I'm telling you, there was no better grade than grade R. All you just do is you do your coloring in and then it's sleeping time and then you go home. Bro, I'm telling you, the only thing I used to stress about is what food am I gonna choose to eat today, bro, when I was in grade R. Grade 3, because all we cared about was playing, bro. Running around there, trying to catch each other at school and whatever. That sounds so sus, but we used to run around, bro, play with the ball and everything. Okay, it's just getting more sus. Grade 5, because that's when people started catching on nonsense. That's when things started happening, bro. There's no better grade than grade 5, bro. Yo, grade 5 was just it. Yo, clock it. Grade 10, because we don't have to carry all that books, bruh. We have now limited subjects that we can do. Yo, imagine going to school, you grade 8, 9, bro. You carrying all that books, bruh. Technology, natural science. Bro, I'm telling you, bruh, that's crazy stuff.